This is Pufferbelly Park, and there is a skate park back here, so there's about 10 spots for parking. Some picnic tables, some scenery, some playground equipment. Pretty small park, maybe an acre. Here's a little close-up of the parking area. And a little close-up of the playground equipment there. And here's the skate park. Usually it's busy, but no one in here today, so I guess I'll walk on in here. There's some of the rules and regulations. And quite extensive, really. Quite a nice little setup there. And here's a look at it from the other side. Get a little higher up vantage point here. Part of the park, we also have a nice little pollinator garden with, I'm guessing what are native plants. I don't know that they're native plants. Nice if it's a seasonal time of year. And right next to it, we have kind of a community park with garden boxes.